pushing on my, what's it called? Someone said that I'm ugly. Oh. Simon said, where's my backpack? No. Oh. So ouchie. I'm bleeding. Ouchie. Punch me. Oh. Ouchie. That's it. Do you want to be slapped? Mommy, someone slapped me. Oh my God, who do this? I like potatoes. I think that I slipped on a little tiny banana. What if someone pushed me? What if it was my feet?
Why did you do that? Do you hate me?
I think that it's wet. That's why I keep on in life.
What happened?
It's